processing. This project name is smoke detector using the image processing. So this is the project model of that particular concept. So in this project, as you see, we connect one image processing module like ESP32 cam with MQ2, that is the smoke sensor, buzzer. This is development board, Arduino Uno controller, and LCD display. Rest of this is the power supply unit. Now let's see how this project works. First of all, you have to sense the any fire to this MQ2 sensors. After that, image is captured automatically, and that will be sent to the Arduino, and all this are sends information to the main. Whatever the image you have captured, it is directly delivered to your sent to your mail. So in this way project works. So let's see actually how this project works. First of all, you have to create the hotspot in your mobile. Go to the setting, go to the hotspot, and in that you have to just insert a username IoT server and the password is IoT server 123. So you can set this name. Okay. After that, you have to switch on the projects, and let's see how it connects. When you switch on, the LEDs glows at the power supply unit. When you switch on this switch, now the LCD shows the project name. It's a power supply unit. So when you switch on the projects, the display name, the project name, shows the project name. After all, it shows the smoke. This is the smoke sensor, and this is image capture unit, that is ESP32 cam. So this is, I use one stick for smoke. So when I put in front of this smoke, so let's see what happened. So it continuously buzz and it gives the lights. And now all the images which is captured by this ESP32 cam, it sends to the your mail ID. Now what's your mail ID? Let's see. In Gmail, you have to create one account. Not, you have to just log in this account, that is smoke project test @gmail.com, and password is smoke.123. Okay, so this is username and password. You have to just log into this mail ID, and all the image and whatever the function happen here, it will be received automatically. Now I have shown the message right now. You have to see the timing also. So when you open that particular link, so you have to get the image. So right like this, so you have to see this type of images which is continuously captured by this ESP32 cam. Okay, so you can see the various images like this. Okay, so in this way this automatically smoke detection system using ESP32 cam project works. Hope you guys like this type of the projects. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel. Thanks. You can adjust the sensitivity of this sensor, of smoke detector sensor, using this potentiometer. So you have to just insert and just adjust the sensitivity. Okay, so whenever you put any fire or any sticks here, so you can adjust the sensitivity. So according to it, it sends accurately.